So in this video, we want to talk about the different plans of the Revolut business account. And maybe you're sitting in front of your screen and wondering what the business account actually costs. Then this video is for you. But before we start, really important, you will find my partner link to Revolut down here in the video description. And from time to time, they're offering a sign-up bonus via their partners. So make sure to check out this link, click on it, and it will bring you to the business page here. And then you can just click on the menu up here and on business and accounting prices. And this will bring you to the plan overview. And in general, you have 4 different plans: the basic, the grow, and the scale plan, and the enterprise plan. And the basic plan comes at $10 a month, and the grow plan comes at $40 a month, and the scale plan comes at $140 a month. And the enterprise plan is custom, but I heard it can start at $750. But as always, I'm not part of the Revolut team, so all information in this video come without any guarantee. Please always check this website yourself. But now let's go over the different plans here in the pricing table. So in general, you have 25 different currencies supported on Revolut, which is good. And you can have different global accounts. So for example, you can have a dollar account, you can have a euro account, or a Swiss franc account, for example. And you can exchange the currencies between the accounts. And here comes the first difference between the plans, because the exchange rate differs from plan to plan, and you have a monthly allowance. In the basic plan, for example, it's 1,000 euros. In the grow plan, it's 20,000 euros. And in the scale plan, it's 80,000 euros. So you can exchange, for example, $1,000 into euros at no extra cost here on the basic plan. But when you are outside the allowance window, then you have an extra fee of 0.6% from the amount you're trying to exchange. And please be aware, do this within the market hours, because otherwise you have 1% exchange fee when you are doing this outside the market hours. So this is the first row to be aware of. There's a difference between the exchange rates allowance on the different plans. And next comes the global and local transfers. And you have a couple of no-fee international transfers, but on your grow plan you have 0, so you can have international transfers, but when you want to have one, you have to pay $5 fee per transfer. And on the grow plan, you have 5 included, so you can have 5 no-fee international transfers. And on the scale plan, you have 25 no-fee international transfers. And every transfer outside this allowance window, you have to pay $5 per transfer. And of course, there are local transfers, meaning bank transfers or payments within your country. And on the basic plan, you have 10 no-fee local transfers and 100 on the grow plan and 1,000 on the scale plan. And when you are outside the window, you have to pay 20 cents per local transfer. But you can also transfer money within Revolut between different Revolut users. It's basically works like you would send money on PayPal to your friends. Every Revolut user has their own identifier, like a ref tag they call it. And then you can just type in the ref tag and send money between Revolut accounts for free. And you can do this on all different plans. And you can have recurring and scheduled payments, so you can pay your bills or you can pay salaries to your employees. And this is, of course, included in every account. The only thing you can't do on the basic plan here is bulk transfers. So here, for example, pay up to 1,000 recipients at once across multiple currencies. That you can only do in the grow plan and in the scale plan. And the next row is cards and control. And on the basic plan, you don't get a metal card. You can purchase one for $49. This fee applies if you want to buy one extra. But on the grow plan, you have one complimentary card. And on the scale plan, you get 2 metal cards included. They look nice, so it can be kind of nice to have a metal card. But of course, you get physical corporate cards out of plastic, and you can have 3 per team member, and fees may apply. But you can do this on all different plans. And of course, you can have virtual corporate cards. So some companies create a card for every subscription they pay, and you can have up to 50 corporate cards, virtual corporate cards per team member. And you can, of course, spend in all the currencies available, mostly in 150 plus currencies. So when you are traveling and you pay in euro, then it will be automatically deducted from your euro balance when you have a euro account, and you can do this with the card. And spending is easy, but when you want to withdraw cash at an ATM machine, then a 2% fee applies per withdrawal. And that can be quite hefty. So for example, if you're withdrawing $1,000, then you pay $20 just for the withdrawal. And this is the same on all different plans. Just be aware of the extra cost when you get cash from the ATM machine. And with all accounts or all plans, you have card control, so you can limit cards and you can put them into categories, and you can have spending periods and whatnot. So these functionalities are available on all different plans. And customizing your card, meaning you can put your company logo on it, and you can only do this on the scale plan and on the enterprise plan. But this is a nice gimmick. Of course, you don't have to have this, but it makes sense if you're a bit bigger corporation to put your company logo on the cards. And next comes the no stress spending. So of course, in every Revolut account, you have unlimited team members because they want to have as many users on the platform or on the bank accounts as possible. So you can have unlimited team members on all plans. And next, the expense management, you also have this on all different plans. But here comes the difference now, because here on the next 3 items, you don't get this on the basic plan. So for example, you can't have custom spend and approvals. For example, here on the grow or scale plan, you can create approval rules that reflect your business to control spending before and after it happens. And you can give different permission to accounts depending on your team members in your team. And you can have access rules here. And you can have analytics on the grow and scale plan, so you can see and keep track of the cash flow between the accounts. And of course, within Revolut, you can buy treasury bills, so you can invest in this, and you have their limit and stop orders, but you can only do this on the grow and scale plan. On the basic plan, you can buy them, but you don't have limit and stop orders. And of course, with all plans, you can connect your accounting software, your HR platform integration, and your business apps integration. But you don't have custom API access with the basic plan, therefore you would also need to upgrade. And with all plans, you get customer support 24/7, of course, but you only get an account manager when you are on the enterprise plan. I think this goes without saying. And here at Stay Secure, of course, all the security features are available on all different plans. And extras, mobile and web access, of course, you can use it on your desktop or you can use it on your mobile phone on all plans. And you can manage multiple business accounts. So if you have 2 companies, you can, of course, run this on your mobile phone at once. But here comes the difference. Now Revolut has rewards programs, for example, airport lounges, or I think you can have 3-day access to different WeWorks per month in your city. But of course, this changes from time to time. So please go ahead and take a look at this yourself. But you only get the rewards on the scale, on the grow plan and on the scale plan. You don't get this on the basic plan. This is important. And it can be quite nice to have those benefits. So make sure to check this out. And yeah, this was pretty much the different plans of Revolut. And you can switch between the plans at all times. You can upgrade, you can downgrade. But if you find yourself as, for example, a freelancer, probably the basic plan is good to start with. But if you're a bigger company, you should always start with the grow plan or maybe the scale plan, because here you have way more monthly allowance. For example, how much dollars you want to exchange in different currencies. You have up to 5 different international transfers, and you can have up to 100 no-fee local transfers. So yeah, if you have a lot of international transfers, of course, then you need to upgrade. And as said, everything I said is without any guarantee because they change it from time to time. But if you're convinced now you need one of these plans and you want to try it out, as said, you will find my partner link to Revolut down in the video description. And from time to time, they offering a sign-up bonus. So please go ahead and check this out. Just click on the link. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. And if you like the video, also give it a thumbs up. And we see us in the next video here, how to use Revolut Business account in the tutorial. And thank you for listening. Bye.